You have all those great resources, and now you need to have a place to save them in one location where you can share them with others, and you can find from other friends as you need resources as well. So we're going to learn about 4 methods to save your favorite resources. That first method is, as you find a resource within Thinkfinity or on the web, you can just copy and paste the URL through the create mode. You would go to create, bookmark, and paste the URL in here. So I'm going to go to a resource. National Geographic Education has a great one on living through the drought. So I'm going to copy. I will go back here and paste the URL in. I will click next. At this point, it asks us to put in some notes about this, and then you should put in some tags. The tags are important because this is how you can filter your resources. Once you get so many, it's easier to find them if you put in some keywords. So drought would be my first keyword, social studies, underscore with 2 words, geography. So that should be enough, and we'll click save. Now that's a bookmark that I've got in my favorite resources. We'll look at that when we're all done looking at our different methods. That was one method. The next method is to browse, and you'll see that you have bookmarks here. So you go to browse bookmarks. On the left hand side you see an install bookmarklet. That installs an icon up here on your toolbar that says add site to Thinkfinity. No matter where you are on the web, you click this little icon and you will be able to save your bookmarks to your favorite resources site. I'm going to delete this to show you how to add it. So all you do is say click to install. Now this automatically knows I'm in Google Chrome. If you're in Internet Explorer, Safari, Firefox, this will give you complete instructions on how to install the Add to Thinkfinity button in your particular browser. In my case, Google Chrome, all I need to do is drag and drop. Now I have my bookmarklet here. Now, how does that work? I'm out on the web. I find a great math website on assessment, on lesson plans. I need to save that. So all I do, there it is right there in my toolbar, the Add Site to Thinkfinity button. I click Add Site. It gives me the title of the site that I'm at. Again, you write in your notes. This one is Math Common Core Lessons and Assessments. Always give great tags to find them later. I click Save. Now that one's in my bookmark. So now you've learned 2 methods. Using your bookmarklet button in your toolbar, which is wonderful. Doing the copy and paste with the create. Now we're going to go to the third method, which is browsing and people. And we were already there, but I wanted to make sure you knew you could browse people. Now, how do I find people? I'm going to click on people, and I need to find somebody that I can see their resources and maybe find a great resource. So I'm going to choose Jane Brown. And it will filter to Jane here. I am going to go to Jane just by clicking on her card, and I'm going to go to her bookmarks. At this point, I need to find a certain bookmark in here that relates to poll to go. Maybe that's something I want to know how to do polls in my classroom. So I think I want that one. So I'm going to go down to the bottom right hand corner, and I see the gears. I click on it. Notice here it says bookmark. I click on that. Now it's red. That's telling me that's bookmarked. That's in my favorite resources. That's how easy it is by using a friend. Well, now let's do another way here. Let's go back to places again. And the fourth method is to browse bookmarks. These are all the bookmarks out there if you choose all. Right now I'm on only my bookmarks. Let's go to all. All the bookmarks out there that people have been saving for resources, and maybe I want to see one particular type of bookmarks. So I'm looking for math. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to try to find some people that have saved some great math resources. And as I scroll down, I see Mathematical Problems by David Hilbert, might be a good one. National Center for Response to Reinvention, another good one. Math Forum, Ask Dr. Math. All these are wonderful websites. Which one do I want to do? So I'm going to pick math poems, math songs, math stories. I think that would be great to get started with math in the classroom, a great starter. So I click on the gears, I click bookmark, back, and now it's mine. Now, those were the 4 methods. Now I'm going to go back up here, and I'm going to go to my bookmarks. Notice there's the poems that I just did. Here's the poll to go that I got from Jane. Here's the Welcome to Mathematics assessment that I used my bookmarklet for. And here is my National Geographic one that I got on drought that I used the create button for and just copy and pasted my URL. And that's how simple and easy it is to make bookmarks.